Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Welcome to the course Audit 2 EAB3 1103. This is the second course in auditing in the program, Bachelor of Accounting program, and actually it requires some knowledge of Audit 1 to proceed. So I would like you to uh, read the chapters which is given in your LMS on internal controls, management assertions, audit evidence, audit procedures, okay, and the generic audit procedures, okay. So you have to know this so that we can apply them in the various audit cycles. Basically, this course teaches you audit of audits, business cycles, accounting cycles, as you can call them. Then you can actually, this is a way, a conceptual way, and actually how businesses are organized. So it gives us a framework to audit the financial statements quite easily. So for each classes of transaction and each cycle, we have classes of transactions and the documents related to it. So what we will do, we will actually learn how to audit the sales and collection cycle, the acquisition and payment cycle, the payroll cycle, the inventory cycle, and the financing cycle. Okay, you'll also know how to audit cash balances. And later, after that, that's 2/3 of the course. And after the 2/3 of the course, we'll be looking at some other services provided by professional accountants, such as attestation services, agreed upon procedures, and so on. And then we look at internal auditing and government auditing, and also operations auditing. And for the last topic, for current issues in auditing, and for this semester, I'm going to pick up one, which is actually my area, that is Sharia auditing, all right, which is actually a growing area of business and a growing area of interest and probably opportunities for future auditors. Okay, so it will be helpful for you to know what's going on, and then inshallah, probably when you go into business, or if you want to become a consultant, or if you um, um, work in a company which specializes in Sharia audit, then you'll be able to apply the core principles of auditing learned here, and then you'll be able to apply them in the future in your work, all right, and of course in the examinations as well. For the assessment, basically we are going to have two quizzes, online quizzes, 5 marks each, 5%. And then we'll have an assignment and a midterm test. Now the assignment and midterm test will carry together 30% of the total marks. The distribution of percent weightage between the assignment and the midterm will depend on the difficulty of the assignment I give you, but not less than 10% and not more than 15%. And midterm test will be 15%. Okay, and I'll talk to you about the timings of the test later. And then, of course, the final exam will have 60% of the marks. And I'm sorry that I don't even have MCQ in the final examinations. What we will have is probably some discussion questions, essay questions, as well as scenario-based questions, which test the application of what you have learned to the cycles, as well as maybe some knowledge on how to perform certain services, assurance services other than financial statement auditing. I'm sure you'll be I'm sure you're keen to learn. I'm sure you're keen to start off, and I'm sure you'll find the course very interesting, not boring reading textbooks, because I'm going to add quite a number of videos for you to hear, and maybe 1 or 2 articles. All right. So this is not going to be a dead LMS, or we have the LMS system based on Module 3. So you must go to your e-learning. Now we call it the virtual learning environment, VLE. All right. So this is not you just go one time and download the PowerPoints and forget about it. No. We are going to be intensive users of this VLM. Starting with the course outline there, it's already there. We also some videos, and we have the PowerPoints to start off. Then you are going to get some quizzes through that system, as well as readings and more videos, and more interesting stuff, forum discussions, and so on. And if you have any problems, you can always use the LMS to contact me. I'm actually in level 2, lecture room 3. All right. So I will display my timetable for the whole week. Each 18 hours a week we are occupied with lectures. Other than that, if I'm not being trained or going out for some other work, you will be welcome to my office to consult on any subject matter. Thank you very much. I hope you find the course interesting and you will be successful in the course. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.